In this tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to add navigation between rooms. At the moment, we've got navigation between floors using the thumbnail navigator at the bottom, but what we're going to do is we're going to be able to add arrows, which actually when you click on the arrows, they go from room to room. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to go back into the hotspot editor, scroll down, click on add hotspots. And then what we need to do is we need to click on the hotspot editor icon here. Okay, the first thing we need to do is select a scene from the bottom. If we select the first scene, that takes us to the entrance hall, which is the first scene that we selected in the previous tutorial. The way that we add hotspots between rooms is basically by looking at the room that you want to go to, and then using this drag and drop here to drag and drop onto the screen and select the arrow. That allows us then to select a room. So we're going to go to the kitchen dining here and click OK. And now if we go to the kitchen dining, we can rotate around and we can add an arrow back to the entrance hall. Select the arrow, entrance hall, done. Now if we go back to the entrance hall, we can go to the pool. Select the pool, OK, and then select the pool, and then that takes us to the entrance hall. And that way we've actually built up some navigation between two rooms. And we basically rinse and repeat the process for the entire tour as follows. So that's all the navigation we need to add for the ground floor. Now we have the navigation for the first floor in the same process. Okay, so finally we've added some navigation from the basement to the ground floor changing room, and that's it. So now what we do is we just click on Save Changes in order to save our hotspots. And now if we close the tab, we are now taken back to our virtual tour, and lo and behold, we have our hotspots where we can actually go from room to room.